Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful and easy decorated mirror. Things you'll need are a circular base, a large mirror and some small mirrors, some colored sheets, glitter tubes, Fevicol, scissors, colorful sticky crystals, quilling art kit, Fevikwik or Quick Fix, acrylic paints and brushes. First of all, choose a colorful sheet which you want for the base and then paste it down on the base. Here, I have taken a yellow sheet for my base. Or else, you can also cover it with a white sheet and using acrylic paints, color the base. Press the base onto the sheet firmly. Now, cut out the excess part of the colored sheet using scissors. Position your main mirror at the center or anywhere you like, and the small mirrors around the main mirror at some distance as shown. When you are happy with the arrangement, just paste them down with Fevikwik or Quick Fix, or you can use glue gun also. Now, paste down the sticky crystals of any color around the boundary of the mirror's layer. As you can see in this picture. Now, use the quilling art kit and make small circles as the base part for our flowers. Paste the end of the strip with Fevicol to fix the shape. Now, cut out some rectangular strips of length 10 cm and breadth 1.5 cm from colored sheets of your choice. Here, I am taking yellow and orange color sheets and cut the strips as shown. Take one base part of a flower and a rectangular strip and roll them together as shown with the help of Fevicol to make a flower. Fold the strips outwards as shown to give a nice flower shape. Similarly, repeat the procedure for the yellow strips also. Now, paste the flowers which we have made around the main mirror on the base and make a small circle of flowers around the mirror. Here I am using yellow flowers first. Now we'll paste the orange colored flowers around the crystal layer and make a circle of the orange flowers around the crystal layer. And then we have a layer of small mirrors around the orange colored flowers as shown. With the help of glitter tubes, you can add shine in your flowers. And our own easy, simple and beautiful handmade decorated mirror is ready. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then do subscribe to my channel. I do DIY crafts and school projects, so you can check out my channel.